Hey everybody, namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anushka and I'm currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we'll be talking about access matrix, understanding permissions in operating systems. And let's understand what an access matrix is. Access matrix is the context of operating systems refer to a model that defines and controls access rights to the resources. It specifies the permission that the processes or users have to access objects such as file directories and devices. The matrix provides a comprehensive view of access permissions, including read, write, and execute rights for different entities, allowing for precise control over system security and integrity. Components of an access matrix. The subjects are active entities like processes or users. Let's understand the components. First one is subjects, which are active entities like processes or user. Process is a program under execution. Objects are like passive entities like files, devices, or data. Capabilities are what subjects can do on objects like read, write, or execute. Let's understand the access control modes. There are three types. Discretionary access control, DAC. Users have control over their own objects and can determine access. Mandatory access control is MAC. Access is determined by security labels assigned to subjects and objects. Role-based access control, RBAC. Access is based on the roles users have within the system. Discretionary access control. Let's look into the details of it. The user ownership. Each resource has an owner, and owner determines who can access it. So the resources here are the processor programs, and the owner are we as users can have access. Access rights modification. Owner can modify the access rights to the resource based on their discretion. Flexibility. DAC provides flexibility in their access control, allowing individuals, user to have different levels of access control. Let's look into the mandatory access control, MAC. High security. MAC enforces restrictions based on their security labels and clearance levels. It prevents users from changing access rights and ensures strict control over sensitive data. Centralized control. It is centrally controlled, typically by a system administrator or security manager. This ensures consistent and uniform security policies across the entire system. Complex implementation. Implementing MAC requires defining security labels, appearance, clearance levels, and strict access policies, making it more complex to set up than other access control models. Let's look into role-based access control, RBAC. Organized access. RBAC organizes access based on user roles, making management more efficient. Centralized control. It provides centralized control over user access to resources and data. Reduces the complexity of managing user permissions and access levels. Secure access. ACLs provides secure access to resources based on user permission. Granular control. ACLs allows granular control over who can access specific resources. Protection provides sensitive data, protects the sensitive data by restricting access to authorized users. Access control matrix implementation. Now, access control matrix has a mapping of subjects and objects. The implementation is through enforcement mechanism. The granular access rights are implemented by permission and restriction. Advantages of using access matrix. Now, let's look into the advantages. One of the key advantages of using an access matrix is the granularity of access control it provides, allowing for precise permissions at user or role level. Here, protection is the main key, that is through access matrix. This system enables better security management, minimizing the risk of unauthorized access and maintaining data integrity. Additionally, access matrix models support scalability, adaptability, and efficient resource utilization in dynamic computing. Let's look into the conclusion. After exploring the various components and models of access control, it's evident that access matrices play a very crucial role in defining and implementing security measures within an operating system. Their flexibility and permission contribute to enhanced system security and efficient resource protection. I hope the concept of access matrix is clear. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Keep learning and don't stop. Thank you.